Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best digital satellite finder. Whether you're a professional installer or a DIY enthusiast, this tool will make your satellite setup faster and more accurate. Let's get started. Product feature: Clear LCD display. The SatLink WS features a bright 2.1-inch LCD screen that shows key data clearly. You get real-time readings of signal strength, quality, BRR, and power, helping you fine-tune your dish without confusion. The clear display makes setup easier and saves you time. Wide input frequency range. This satellite finder covers a broad input frequency range from 950 to 2150 MHz. This flexibility means it's compatible with most satellite signals, whether standard or high-frequency bands, so you can rely on it for a variety of satellite TV systems. Comprehensive signal measurement. The SatLink WS measures multiple signal parameters: strength, quality, bit error rate, and power. These measurements ensure you get the best signal reception and help troubleshoot any issues quickly. Knowing these details means smoother channels and fewer interruptions. Beep sound for signal lock. A handy beep alerts you when a strong signal lock is achieved, so you don't have to stare at the screen constantly. This feature is especially useful if you're working solo, guiding you smoothly to the optimal dish alignment by sound alone. Built-in rechargeable battery. Equipped with a 7.4-volt and 800 mAh lithium-ion battery, this satellite finder can operate for up to 3 hours on a single charge. It's perfect for outdoor setups or places without power access. Plus, it comes with a DC adapter for easy recharging whenever needed. USB port for software upgrades. The included USB port lets you upgrade the device's software, ensuring your tool stays current with the latest features. No need to buy a new unit when updates arrive. This extends the device's life and keeps it reliable over time. Pros: easy to read LCD with essential signal data. Wide frequency range for diverse satellite signals. Multi-parameter signal measurement for precision. Compatible with DSEC and 22 kHz tone protocols. Audible beep for hassle-free alignment. Long-lasting rechargeable battery. USB port for firmware updates. Cons: battery life could be longer for extended use. Small LCD size may require close viewing in bright sunlight. No built-in stand or mounting option for hands-free use. Final thoughts: the SatLink WS Digital Satellite Finder is a reliable, feature-packed tool that simplifies satellite dish installation. Its clear display, wide compatibility, and smart beep system make it great for both pros and DIYers. If you want quick, accurate satellite setup, this is a solid choice. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out. Check the price link in the description and subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more helpful tech guides.